Hello guys and girls, in this video I will show you how to change your glass and your resistance in your Crown IV Vaporiser, how it's called, Vaporiser. So, first step, to take the glass off, you turn this top like you feel it, you take it out and the glass comes out very easy. Of course you must empty your liquid first. You just slide it up like this and you take it off. You can of course change, mine are not leaking, they are quite new, but you can buy a set and change this here also, and you just slide it up. Then you take your new glass, UL Crown IV replacement glass, 6 ml. This is the bubble one, this is the big one. So you take this and you just slide it on in place like this, and you put the top on. It's not so hard and it looks much better. You can buy other glasses, I think 5 ml. This is the big bubble, the 6 ml. That's it. It's very easy. And now to change your resistance, you hold your anything device you have, you hold it and you rotate it to remove it from there. You unscrew it here, the entire vaporizer, and then you must remove the bottom part like you unscrew it. You hold it from here and you remove this bottom. Oh, oops. You remove this bottom here, it screws on. Of course in every step you can clean them, but I have them clean so it's good. And you pull the resistance out like this. You pull it out and you put the new one in. You make sure everything is clean and there are no debris or anything, and then you just slide it in like this and it's good. Then you screw the bottom again on, not so tight but good enough, you know, and then you screw it again on your device. And be careful because you can change the airflow here when you rotate this now, when it's tight. So you must make sure these are open. You rotate it so it's open, as you can see now. And it's ready. But make sure, because you just change the resistance, you must put liquid and let it sit for a little bit so the cotton inside it gets wet, because if you use it immediately it will burn up. So you let it sit 5 minutes and it's ready for use.